Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Ford Escape. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and seat memory. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.